They were grading the chairman, and he did not get that great a grade. If you take a look at the average of the 46 respondents to our Fed survey, he gets a B minus. Yellen, outgoing, got a B plus. Bernanke's last grade was a B. Now he's got some time now to get it right. And when we look at, we dissect it, there's a lot of people who think he doesn't even deserve a B minus. We aggregated the A's and B's. Well, 83% the last time around gave Yellen an A or a B. Powell just 60%. Look at the percentage giving him a C, D, or an F, 38% there. As you can see, Joe, that's a bit of the precision that we like.
Yeah, you got some false precision.
Some false precision there.
I mean, the guy is trying to raise rates. I mean,
well, Yellen did too. Yellen was the first one in 10 years to raise rates.
How much of that has to do with the word autopilot?
I think that's
one word.
Right. I think it's not just autopilot. I think there's more. But it's interesting you bring that up, Tim, because we asked about 8 categories, and I want to show you 4 of them. Overall leadership, he came down from when we last asked in January 2018. Even his regulatory expertise came down, which I think is interesting. Market knowledge came down, but the big decline is in communication. And that's where I think the Fed chairman has the biggest problem. John Augustine, chief investment officer at Huntington Bank, writes, Q4 2018 was about markets losing confidence in pretty much all global policymakers, elected or appointed. 2019 will be about whether or not they regain any confidence in global policymakers. And Donald Luskin, chief investment officer, Trend Macroanalytics, writes, Jerome Powell is the worst Fed chair since G. William Miller. I predict he will be gone by year end. We need a new ambassador to Ukraine anyway.
That is really harsh.
Yeah, maybe I shouldn't have put that one up. Donald is out there a little bit, but
why not?
You know, it's cable. It's cable, as you say. Look, it's autopilot. It was we're a long way from neutral. Yeah. And also, I think when he made another comment at the beginning of this year that was sort of controversial, where the market sold off when he's talking about the balance sheet. So I think he needs to spend a little time to get it right. I think the problem. It
feels to me like he's gotten his footing, though. Like, everybody makes these mistakes. They step into things. Remember when Mnuchin told us a year ago when he made the comments about the strong dollar, or not necessarily caring about a strong dollar. You got to realize what impact your words will have on the markets and what comes from that.